Daily wear and tear can take a toll on concrete floors, creating spalls that are not just unsightly, but hazardous as well. CreteFill Spall Repair is the perfect solution to fixing those spalls and restoring a floor to full functionality. In this presentation, you will learn the purpose of CreteFill Spall Repair, its benefits, and what you can expect out of the best spall repair product in the industry. CreteFill Spall Repair is designed to repair large cracks and spalls where no future slab movement is expected. It can also be used to repair damaged control joints. When combined with sand, CreteFill Spall Repair will develop into an extremely strong polymer concrete. Concrete floors can certainly take a beating, but doing so comes at a cost. Concrete spalls are caused by a number of factors, including forklifts, steel-wheeled carts, repeated freeze and thaw cycles, and even corrosion. The important thing to know is that spalls must be addressed and repaired right away to prevent further damage and breakdown of the concrete floor. CreteFill Spall Repair is recommended for, but not limited to, the following applications: spall repairs, delaminated concrete slabs, filling and repairing spalls before the application of coatings, freezer threshold repair, grade matching, parking deck repair, repairing deteriorated concrete, and replacing lost concrete sections. CreteFill Spall Repair produces high-strength repairs in damaged concrete. It is self-leveling, self-priming, and is composed of 100% solids, meaning that it will not shrink when curing. It's applied in a 1-to-1 ratio and will return the finished project to service in 45 minutes. It also meets all USDA requirements and can be color matched to blend seamlessly with existing concrete floors. To apply CreteFill Spall Repair, simply mix the A and B components in equal parts, blend sand into the mix, typically at a 1-to-1 ratio, and pour into the spall requiring repair. Allow the product to self-level. If necessary, quickly trowel and smooth the mixture until it's flush with the surrounding surface. Allow the product to cure and harden completely prior to grinding smooth. CreteFill Spall Repair is available in 4 convenient sizes: 22-ounce cartridges, 1-gallon kits, 2-gallon kits, and 10-gallon kits. It is important to note that preparing a spall is crucial to the success of the repair. Grinding the edges of the spall to create a more defined wall, as opposed to a feathered edge, will allow the spall to remain contained as it self-levels. This defined edge also allows for more product to adhere to the bottom and side walls of the spall, whereas a feathered tapered edge does not. Equally important to a successful spall repair is being aware of sinkers and low spots. Sinkers are caused when the spall repair product escapes through the bottom of the spall and therefore it does not fully fill it. Low spots are caused when not enough product has been placed in the spall. These issues can most commonly be addressed simply by adding more material to the spall, and where possible adding backer rod prior to filling. As noted earlier, using sand in conjunction with CreteFill Spall Repair allows the product to develop into a tough and durable polymer concrete. Sand filler can be mixed in a 1-to-1 ratio with CreteFill Spall Repair to also create a more realistic concrete appearance. The sand should have minimal moisture content and can range in grit sizes from 12 to 60. For very large spalls, pea gravel can be used, and fly ash can be added as a filler. Sprinkling sand into the top surface of a spall repair while still wet will further ensure the repair resembles actual concrete. After the spall repair has cured and is ground flush with the surface, the sand flecks will mimic that of a salt and pepper appearance. In summary, CreteFill Spall Repair is designed to repair large cracks and spalls where no future slab movement is expected, and can repair damaged control joints. When combined with sand, CreteFill Spall Repair will develop into an extremely strong polymer concrete. With proper preparation, CreteFill Spall Repair will produce a self-leveling, high-strength repair. Floors repaired with Spall Repair can be returned to service in as little as 45 minutes.